You'll never peel eggs the wrong way again. I'll show you a quick and easy method that helps the shell practically slide right off without breaking the egg. First, fill a pot with enough water and place the eggs inside, just as you normally would. Now put the pot on the stove and add half a tablespoon of salt. This simple ingredient helps loosen the shell, making the eggs easier to peel later. Cook the eggs for 10 to 12 minutes over medium heat. This is the ideal amount of time to get perfectly hard-boiled eggs that are fully cooked and ready to peel. Carefully pour out all the hot water. Immediately transfer the eggs to a container with a lid. Then add enough very cold water to completely cover them. If possible, add a few ice cubes as well and let the eggs sit for about 5 minutes. This sudden temperature change helps separate the membrane from the shell. Next, pour out the cold water, secure the lid tightly on the container, and shake it for about 30 seconds. As the eggs gently bump against one another, the shells will begin to crack and loosen on their own. When you open the container, you'll notice that much of the shell has already separated from the eggs. All that's left is to remove the remaining pieces with your fingers, and you'll see just how easy peeling can be. If you found this tip helpful, save it for the next time you make hard-boiled eggs.